Hello and welcome. Let's see this question of Indian geography that came in the year 2023 and is related to the topic of structure and physiography of India. The question is, consider the following statement. First statement is, Amarkantak hills are at the confluence of Vindhya and Sahyadri ranges. Second statement is, Biligiri Rangan hills constitute the easternmost part of Satpura ranges. Third statement is, Sheshachalam hills constitute the southernmost part of the Western Ghats. Now first locate this locations in the map at the confluence of Vindhya and Satpura range, that is somewhere around here. Amarkantak hill is there. It forms near the boundary of MP and Chhattisgarh. Biligiri Rangana hills is in South Karnataka. And Seshachalam hills is in Eastern Ghats. In Andhra Pradesh. Now if we see these locations one by one, Amarkantak hills is basically formed at the confluence of Vindhyas and Satpura ranges. It is in Anuppur district, which is a border district of MP, and it shares borders with Chhattisgarh. These rivers, Narmada, Son and Johila river originate from Amarkantak hills. Johila is basically tributary of Son river. So Narmada, Son and Johila river originate from here, and the average elevation of Amarkantak hills is around 1000 meters or 1048 meters. Now two famous national park and biosphere reserves are there, that is Kanha National Park, which is famous for tiger density, tigers, and also Amarkantak Achanakmar Biosphere Reserve is here. If we see at Biligiri Rangana hills, Biligiri means in Kannada, it means white hills. White hills in Kannada means Biligiri. Biligiri Rangana hills is in southwestern Karnataka, and it is southernmost part of South Deccan. If Deccan is divided into, if suppose this is a Deccan Plateau, it is divided into North Deccan, which forms part of Maharashtra, and South Deccan, which forms part of southern Maharashtra and Karnataka. So it forms southernmost part of South Deccan. Average elevation is 1707 meter. And it is also famous for Biligiri Ranganatha Swami temple. And by this name, there is Wildlife Sanctuary, BRT Wildlife Sanctuary, which is also a tiger reserve. BRT is in southern Karnataka and it shares boundary with Tamil Nadu. And this place is infamous as hiding place for Virappan. Virappan used to hide in this place, and he used to shift the borders to dodge the state police of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, and that's why joint forces were formed to nab Virappan. There is a famous documentary, The Hunt for Virappan, which showcases this region, Biligiri Ranganatha Biligiri Rangan Hills. If we see Seshachalam Hills, it is formed in southern eastern Ghats in Andhra Pradesh region or Rayalaseema region. Rayalaseema region is also famous for tobacco production. Tobacco production. It was a Seshachalam Hills Biosphere Reserve was formed in the year 2010. In the year 2010 by UNESCO. It is famous for red sandalwood. Also, Tirupati temple is situated in Seshachalam Hills. Tirupati Tirumala temple is situated in Seshachalam Hills in Andhra Pradesh. So, if we see the question again, Amarkantak Hills are at the confluence of Vindhya and Satpura, not Sahyadri. Sahyadri ranges are part of Maharashtra, Western Ghats. Biligiri Rangana Hills constitute the easternmost part of Satpura, not Satpura range, but Western Ghats. And Seshachalam Hills constitute the southernmost part of not Western Ghats but Eastern Ghats. So out of all the statements are basically incorrect. Hence D is the correct answer. Now let's see the map again. Here D is the correct answer because none of the statements are correct. Let's see this map again. This is basically Sahyadri range, whereas Amarkantak is in the confluence of Vindhyas and Satpuras. Biligiri Ranganatha is at the confluence of Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats, and hence it is basically part of both Western and Eastern Ghats, but majorly to Western Ghats. And Seshachalam Hills is part of Eastern Ghats and not Western Ghats. So that's why all the statements are incorrect. Also, if you can see this map, this Deccan region is divided into North Deccan, that is basically the part of Maharashtra, and South Deccan, and the southernmost part of South Deccan is Biligiri Ranganatha temple or Biligiri Rangana Hills. So D is the correct answer. That is, none of these statements are correct. Thank you.